Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In the first part of this video, you learn how to create the date table. It contains the date, day name, date month, month name, only date, month number, year, weekday number, quarter, week number and week status, whether it is weekday or weekend. Now in the second part of this video, we'll learn about how to use this date table for our data model for the analysis. Now this is the date table created here. We can see all the fields here. Now this is the fact cells. So we'll do the map order date to this date. Now the relationship is established. Now we can see its property. This is fact cells, order date, date table date, cardinality many to one, cross filter direction single. Make this relationship active. Okay. Now go to the report view here. Now take this stack column chart. Yes. Now on the x-axis we'll take the day name and y-axis will take the cells. This is our analysis, means our cells by day name: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is the sales value. Suppose we wanted to do the sales value comparison on the weekend or weekday, that we can also do it here. For that we'll take another visual like pie chart. Take this pie chart video, means visual. Here take the sales of profit whatever we wish. Now the week status in the legends. We can see that dark blue color represent the weekend sales. Now this is the means light blue color represent the weekday. So weekday sales percentage is 67.64 and weekend is 32.36. Like that we can do many more analysis. Now let's take another visual, that is tag column chart. This is the sales. So we can see here sales by year 2014, 15, 16, 17. Now our project required, so that okay, they said okay, we don't want analysis by order date, they want to do the further analysis by the ship date. So but here we already map this data table with the order date, so we can also map with the ship date. That is the advantage of using date table here. So we'll do, let's see what happens. In one of the video in the relationship, I have already said that there can be more than two relationships between the two tables, but at a time only one relationship will be active here. So see, there is already existing relationship between the fact cells and the date table, that is order date and date here. So first we'll make this inactive. So make this relationship inactive here by doing uncheck this. Now it has been changed to the dotted line. Now ship date will move to this date. Now see, another relationship exists between the table ship date and date. We can see its property here, that is fact cells, ship date. Here this is the date, cardinality many to one, cross filter direction single. Now this will make this relationship active. Now using this date table, we can do the mapping of two different fields like order date and ship date as per our requirement. If suppose client said no, we don't want ship date, we want order date, we can again change it. Now we can say here in the sales by year, earlier we are having 2014, 15, 16, 17. Now 2018, that is very small amount, but it is there. So this is change. So now sales by year is based on the ship date. So like that we can do some more analysis also, like take this one. Instead of sales we want profit here, value. Now week status, we can also do that thing. Now here it is 65.15% and the weekend sale is the 34.85, which is different from the previous one. So like that we can do many more analysis depend on our requirement. So this is all about the date table, how it is created, how to utilize in the model for the multiple purpose. Means at a time we can do it, means we can map the date table through multiple fields also. So thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision.